Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going down to a house. They got a kitchen in the basement, and we're gonna need to snake it out. The sink is draining super slow. It may just be in the Ptrap. It may be further down towards the stack. Let's see what we find. All right, guys. You can see the water backing up there. So this is how the Ptrap is set up. We're gonna see if it's just in the Ptrap, and hopefully we can clear from there. If not, we'll use the Milwaukee M18 drain snake, the battery powered one, and snake this out. Yeah, it's probably in the wall.
Yeah, because they lived there by so many years, and that's about 20 years.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, I have no problem.
That's really good. test this. Hopefully everything runs good. What I want to do is run the hot water, and because it's going through grease, so we're going to see if it clears up here. Yeah, just as I was predicting. So basically when you go through grease, you're poking a hole in it, but you're spinning, so it can close back up because it's soft. So I do like to let the hot water run for about 20 minutes, half an hour after the fact. So that's what I'm going to be letting the owner of the house know, to just keep the hot water on and let it run. Let's make sure there's no leak down below. Not seeing any leaks. Alright guys, this was a nice easy one, good one for us. So if you guys liked the video, I appreciate you commenting, do all that stuff, and yeah, thank you very much for watching. This has been a pleasure to me. Until next time, this has been Jay, that Drain Guy, signing out. Taragna.